Body Space Health. Today we are going to do a bit of yoga, Pilates, a bit of movement, but it's working a bit on the leg strength, okay? But nice and easy. We're good? Oh, let's check those legs out. So nothing on the floor, just standing up. Okay. We're going to go to the side, this side first. Out, down, up, and in. Same way, okay? Out, down, up, and in. So little squats. Now if that's too hard to go that wide, just do little ones, yeah? Like this, in little close ones. Keep out, down, up, and in. Let's go this way. Out, down. I think it'd be really nice to have the music a bit louder. What do you think? I think. Out, down. So as we're doing this, keeping the chest up, sort of the butt is sort of tucked under. Yeah? Okay, so there's 4. We're going to go this side, to the right, okay? Out. Can you go a little bit wider? Down, up, and in. Out, down. You're shining bright like a diamond. I think I'm a bit sweaty. Down, up, and in. So when I say up, don't come all the way up, okay? 3/4. And touch it this way. 1, 4. Out, nice and easy ones. Now if you find that too easy, yeah. Ooh, I don't want to do that. Where's Hannah? I need her to do that. Okay, let's go a little bit quicker. We're going to go this. Out and in. Out and in. Just nice and little soft ones. Keep these legs soft. Yeah? That's right. Just set of those fast ones. Can you go a bit wider? I hope you can. Out, right up. 1 more. Side 4. Chest up. You and I, we're beautiful. Like diamonds in the sky. Okay, let's just reach up and then just reach it out. Shake those legs out. Okay, you're doing really well. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We're going to do some wide ones. Okay, so wide ones, wide squats. So legs are out fairly wide. Now if you find that, oh, that's too uncomfortable, hurts a little bit in here, bring it in here. But, you go back here. Butt tucked under tummy, nice and tight. Here, shoulders back. We're coming down, 2, and up. 2. So, just little squats. Down. For 2. Remember, just try not to let your bottom go way. You don't want to do this. No. You don't want to lean forward. We're going to keep the chest up. Just little ones. But if it's too hard to go down, just do little ones. Just little ones. I like the little ones. I like showing the little ones. Okay, come down. 1, 2, 3, and up. Just little ones at the bottom. Bottom, 2, 3, and up. Okay. 2, 3. I think just 1 more set of those. That'll be enough. 1. Really working in here, aren't we? Yeah? Okay. Have a little break. Shake the legs. We're staying out nice and wide because we're going to do something else. Okay, you're going to sink down, and then we're going to go with your right leg, toe. Can you do that? Left leg, toe. That's a bit hard, isn't it? Come up, have a little break. Do that again. Let's go. Sink. Stay here. Toe. We're going to do a bit quicker. Toe. Toe. I'm feeling it. Toe. 2 more. Toe. Toe. So we're working balancing, but also really working those muscles. Bring it in. How'd you go with that? Have a little shake. Little shake. We're going to come back to it. Yeah? We're going to try and balance there. We're being nice to ourselves. Coming back, having a little break. If anything, I'm doing that for me. But for you as well. I was feeling it. So I'm going to have a break. Down. Here we go. Balance. on the toes. See if you can do it, on the toes. If you can't, just put the feet down and just stay there. I've got my arms out for balance. 3, 2, and 1. Hopefully you didn't see how shaky my legs were. But hey, it happens. Shaky legs, shake it out. Should we go one more? Come on, out wide. Out wide, sink. Arms out, balance on the toes. Shoulders back, stay there. If that's too easy, do this. If that's too easy, do this. Do whatever you like. Oi, there we go. And stay down, sink, and up. Okay, good work. Shake, shake, shake. All right. Whew, I need to do a break myself. All right, next one. We're gonna work on these thighs again. We've done those legs. All right, we're gonna go down, 2, 3, 4, and up. As we're doing it, bottom is going up this time. Just make sure feet are just about hip distance, toes pointing forward, down, 2, 3, 4, and up. Hands on the chest, trying to keep chest up. Okay, down, 2, 3, 4. Eye gaze forward. I'm bossy, aren't I? Okay, let's change it. Let's do a yoga one. Up and down. I just like doing that. Let's go up and sink. Okay, we're coming up and down, and then just roll the shoulders. Okay, we're still working the legs. Just doing a little bit to the music. Here we go. We go up and down. Remember we did that? We went up and now we sit. Sink on the seat. We rise up and bring it down. And then shoulders. Let's just add in a bit. Ready? This time, up to the front, we're changing. We're sinking, we're holding. 3, 4, rise. Toes. We're on the toes. Are you good? I'm just making this up as I go. That's what I do. That's the way I roll. Ready? Here we go. Down, hold. So my bottom's pointing out here. We're pushing it out. Up. Good. Out to the side and balance on the toes. Woo. Feeling it? Good work. Wait, that's it. I lost it. Oh, here we go again. Sink. Hold it. Hold it. Keep your head down a little bit. Hold it. Hold it. I'm making it harder. Gosh, I'm mean. Let's go toes. Hold. On the toes. Balancing. 2, 1. Can we do that again? Hold it. Sink. Sink. Bottom away. Arms are strong. Hold. Hold. And rise. Good. Toes. Making it a little bit harder each time. Hopefully you don't realise. Actually, I just told you. So obviously you realise. Okay, one more. Promise. Here we go. Sink. Sink. Intense pose. Chair pose. Hold. And rise. Okay, out. On the toes. You're looking good. You are looking good. Okay. Bring it down. I know about you, my shoulders are hurting a little bit. Just from doing that. So let's roll the shoulders, shake out the legs. Shake, shake, shake. Should we just do those wide ones again? You want to do it, don't you? You really like them, I can tell. I got the director going, yeah, I like them. She's not doing them. Okay, legs are wide. Remember, we're just going to do this. We did in the middle. In the middle. Okay, sink, sink. Let's go. Toe. 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 3, 2, and coming up. Okay, straighten out the legs. Give them a little shake. Okay, coming back down. Got a bit of funky music now. Just go with this for a second. Sink down. Are you good? Toes. Balancing on both, okay? If you want to, here. Hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Well done. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, have a few stretches. This one. Remember this one? Grab onto something. I might do it with you. Yeah? Grab the wall or something. Thighs. Stretch out the thighs, we've got to do that. I can't let you go without stretching. Alright, pull it in towards your bottom. Hold on to something if you need. I sort of need to hold on to something today. Okay, go the other leg. Tuck it in, knees together. Push that hip forward a wee bit. Breakfast now. Shaking now. Where am I now? I don't know. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time. See you. Bye.